Welcome, we are learning how to use the WPS presentation. So if you have it on your phone, just click on it. Click on WPS Office app. If you don't have it, you can download it. So once you click on it, so I'm there now. You click on the plus sign. It opens up for you. You click on new presentation. Once you come to new presentation, it asks you, is it a blank page you want or other templates? But because my data is not on, it's not going to show me other templates. So I want blank, the one I can design from the scratch. Once it opens up, you can begin to edit. Double tap to add a title. Whatever your title is, you can put it in there. You can say WPS. You can put the name of the person presenting. There is no fixed way to doing it. Just be creative. Sawyer presentation on WPS. Once you have that, you can click on this plus sign, the next box, to open up another page. It's asking you the kind of page you want. Do you want title and content, or you just want title slide? So I want title and content. Then you click on the title. What's the title? Probably I want to put in my course content. So course outline. So I begin to have what is a presentation. Dependent on you, you can type in all the things you want, or if you already have your content typed somewhere, all you need to do is to go there, copy it, and come here, double click on wherever you want to paste on. When you click on it, it should show you an option, so you'll be able to click paste. That's how to paste in case you have it. So right away, down here you can actually see several features, and these are the main features you'll be needing. If you want a picture, you can click on the picture. It should lead you to the pictures on your phone. Probably you have put some pictures somewhere, downloaded some pictures that you want to use. You can use the picture right there. Okay, maybe this is the only picture I have, but this does not actually represent WPS. You can put in your picture. That's the whole idea. You click on it, it opens up. You can reduce the picture, put it, carry it and put it wherever you want. Okay, so that's how to insert picture. Also, you can put a text box. If you need extra text box, you need to just carry it wherever you want to and type in anything you want to type. Okay, you can also put in your logo just the same way you put in the picture. You can put in a shape. You can draw a shape. See different shapes right here. You choose the one you want depending on your design. Make sure you click off. Okay, so you click off the text so that you can see what is right there. So these are the options I have because I am not online. I'm going to show you what the features are like when you are online, but you can see some of the table styles there. There are certain things there. If it's a table you want to put do a timetable, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You want to fix in probably your meals, table meals. You click on it, it shows you, and you can begin to edit from there. So you can also do other things from this part. You can put in this background music. All you need to do is to have a music you want to use already. You can put in audio, background music, audio, video. You can insert it into your presentation, so automatically into your file. So I have inserted a video. When I'm playing my presentation, you see this video, that place where you see one playing also with it. So you can go back there. There are a lot of features for you right there. This is just under the insert bar. So each and every bar has their own things, has their own features. Like the file here, you can save your document, save as, you can extract it, you can export to PDF, you can compress it, play, you can play the first page. Let's try to play the first page. Let's see what it is like. Okay, so when I click on that, when you click on it, you can choose what you want to use, what you want to play the video with. Okay, so that's what it's telling me. So that's the idea of it. You can import a video, you can import something. So during the slide, you just click on it, it leads you to where it can play. Okay,